home. We just got here. We just got the keys as well, so come on in. Hi! Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in. Welcome. So this is the entry hallway, and on your right side we have the downstairs toilet. There we go. Quite small, but it will do. Decent size actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite, slightly bigger than the one we were at. So the plan is to put a 3-seater sofa over here, 2-seater over there. Think of changing this radiator because it's too big, but have our TV mounted on the wall, and yeah, and some blinds. It's gonna be Christmas soon, so we're gonna put a Christmas tree right over there. Yeah, right in time for Christmas. So yeah, looking forward to that. Moving on, we have the downstairs storage under the stairs. The light, should be inside. Yeah. Okay, I'm done the light. Oh, it doesn't have a light. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we've got a downstairs storage. That's the only storage in the house. It's not too big, but yeah, we can store our pram, our shoe cabinet in there. So when you come here, take your shoes and stick them in there. And we've got this lovely door to the kitchen. I like it because you can actually see through it. Yeah. And then we have our utility tucked away in this little cupboard. We've got a washing machine that came with the house. We're gonna add a tumble dryer in this space here, I think. Yeah. And then yeah, we might add another shelf for more laundry bits as well. And then moving forward, we have integrated appliances. We have a fridge, freezer, and we have oven, and we have a grill as well. Yeah, the kitchen has loads of storage space, which is good. And then we've got some more down here. And okay, under the sink we've got loads of space, so we're gonna add a bin right there, and then maybe some shelving there for cleaning products. Also, we have a dishwasher. Yay! Never had one of those, but yeah, gonna have to learn how to use it. And then more storage space. Here, I like this. And then our cooker. It's a gas cooker, which is good. I like gas cookers. It's got 5 plates, which is good. And all these massive drawers, like oh my god, for pots and pans, you know, and cooking utensils and stuff in there. And then more storage. Yeah. Then that's our welcome box. Yeah. So we got some mugs. We've got 2 of these. We got a box of tea bags. We got some biscuits, which we already ate already, and some bin liners. Yeah. And oh yeah, and the tape measure. And then this is the boiler. quite easy to use, on and off. Yeah. And then some more drawers. This one's got some, all paperwork. And then that's the last one. And then we've got a lovely garden. It's not too big, smaller than the previous house, but it's a size. So probably. Getting into winter now, so no garden works until spring next year. Just gonna add decking in that corner over there, and some garden furniture as well. And just do, I don't know, add flower beds all around and then make it look pretty. Garage on that side as well. I'll take you to me. So that's the garage. Didn't take the keys, but we'll do that next time. And this is the drive. You can fit 2 cars on here. And that's the second bedroom number 2, which is above the drive, right up there. So that's the link between the two houses actually. Bedroom number 2 and the next 2. But we can go back here. Hello. So this is the landing. It's quite narrow, it's just straight. But it leads you to the first room you get into is bedroom number 2, which is the one above the drive. It's quite big actually. So this is going to be the guest room. So put a bed over there, little bedside tables, and then maybe a desk, in that corner. And then we've got bedroom number 4, which is the smallest one, and it's going to be the baby's room. So we're gonna put our cot bed here, and then the chest of drawer in this corner, and then just add little bits to make it look nice and perfect for a little boy. And then we've got a, what's this called, water tank in here. We might add shelves as well, because we've got space up at the top. Well, we might add, shelves. And then bedroom number 3 is this one. And it is going to be my first room. So the bed is going to go over there. And then a wardrobe here and a little desk, because he's in high school now, so we're going to put a desk there for all his work, and then probably mount his TV on there as well above the desk. But and then in here we have our family bathroom. Just love the colors, the greys, just soft and bright as well. got this towel heaters, which are white. We might change to the chrome ones. I don't know, but for now they're fine anyway. We'll keep them as they are for now. And then in here we have the master bedroom. Yay! Yeah, it's quite big. So we're gonna put our bed over here. We've got a lovely mirror we bought. Just gonna put it right up there. And then in that corner, we're gonna put a chest of drawer. And then that back wall is where the fitted wardrobe is going to be. And then in this little corner, we're gonna have a dresser, like a little dressing table. Yeah. And then we also have our own bathroom, our own ensuite bathroom. There we go. And then yeah, we've got this watermark which is going to be fixed. I think it's like molding, but because the house was empty for a very long time since it was completed, but that's gonna be fixed very soon. Why are these off? Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Our empty house tour. Yeah. And this is our lovely view.